Welcome back to Shubhkaamna Academy. Today we are going to discuss a very amazing concept of science that is what's the matter. So let's get started into these all. So what is matter? First question comes to your mind. A matter is something which has these criteria. So it has weight. Even the tiny things like a feather have some weight. Again, it takes up the space. Yani, it occupies some volume. Everything big or small needs its own spot. Your toy car needs a space to park. And again, it's everywhere. Matter is all around us, from the water you drink to the air you breathe. You are a matter too. So simply, we can say that matter is everything, anything or everything that occupies space and have some volume. We call it matter. There are basically three states of matter: pure level, solid, liquid, and gases. And you all are familiar with all these things. See, let's discuss some of those properties. See, solid, keep their own shape, they retain their own shape, they feel firm and steady, and like a bouncy ball or a hard book. And now liquids. They flow and pour. They take the shape of the container, like juice in a cup or water in a bottle. And gases float around us, often invisible, but they are there, like the air in the balloon or steam from a kettle. Now, how matter changes. Matter can change from one state to another, usually by getting hotter or colder. It's like magic, but it's science. Melting. So, when melting takes place, solid gets converted into liquid. What happened is when ice gets warm, it's melt into water. Then boiling. So liquid gets converted into gases. When water gets very hot, it boils and turns into steamy gas, like a whistle on a kettle. And then freezing, that liquid gets converted to the solid. When water gets super cold, it freezes into hard ice, like making ice cubes in the freezer. So these are the processes by which matter transform into each other, and these processes are all interchangeable. Now, properties of the matter. We can describe matter by how it looks, feel, and even smells. These are its properties: hard or soft, rough or smooth, wet or dry, heavy or light. Experiment with the matter. See, these are certain experiments which you can try at your home, kids. So, great job, super scientist. You know a lot about matter. Keep exploring the world, discovering new things every year. Thank you.